Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a table of content in your Word document. To create a table of content, first of all open your Word document where you want to create a table. I'll open my Word. Then simply select your Word file or Word document. As you can see, this is my Word file. There is no table of content. To create table of content, simply click here at the top of the page where you want the table of content. Suppose I need here. Now simply go on the reference tab. As you can see at the top there is the option called reference tab. Simply click on the drop down arrow and simply insert. There is the option called insert table of content. Simply click on insert of table of content. And as you can see, the table of content will automatically come. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.